Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lauderdale County in northwestern Alabama, northwestern Limestone County in north-central Alabama, east-central Colbert County in northwestern Alabama, north-central Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama, until 12:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:58 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over St. Florian, or near Florence, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Florence, Muscle Shoals, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Rogersville, Killen, Lexington, St. Florian, Underwood, Patersville, and Anderson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Lawrence and Limestone,